Today, we're diving into some turbulence in the airline industry, engine maintenance woes. Buckle up, because things are about to get a little bumpy. Remember the long wait times during the pandemic? Well, get ready for even longer delays as airlines face their longest ever waits for engine maintenance. This isn't just a temporary blip either. Consultancy Bain predicts this situation will peak in 2026, potentially making travel more expensive and frustrating for a while. So, what's causing this engine maintenance mayhem? It's a perfect storm of challenges. The aviation industry is still recovering from the pandemic, facing a shortage of parts, qualified workers, and brand new airplanes. On top of that, new generation engines are unexpectedly needing more repairs, putting a huge strain on maintenance companies. Just how bad are these delays? Bain reports turnaround times for new engines are a whopping 150% longer than before the pandemic, and even older engines are taking 35% more time to fix. Yikes. This situation gets even trickier because airlines are also struggling to get new planes. Because of these delays, they're holding on to their older airplanes, which require more complex maintenance and parts. It's a vicious cycle. Here's the not-so-great news. Experts predict this peak demand will last until the end of the decade, with another surge coming around 2030. But there's a tiny glimmer of hope. Maintenance companies are seeing a boom in business and are expanding their capacity. The downside? If these companies don't act fast, airlines will face even higher costs to keep their limited fleets operational. This, combined with the push towards more sustainable travel options, could lead to slower growth in passenger travel. Now, let's talk about the engines themselves. Airlines often have limited choices when it comes to the engines powering their jets. Some planes, like the Boeing 737 MAX, can only use one type, while others like the Airbus A320neo offer two options. Last year, Pratt & Whitney, a major engine manufacturer, discovered a defect in some A320neo engines that could lead to cracks. These mandatory inspections are adding to the delays, with airlines reporting wait times of up to a year. Talk about a grounded situation. The situation is serious, with hundreds of aircraft currently grounded due to these engine issues. To compensate, airlines are having to lease additional planes, which adds more cost to their operations. We have made a video on this, and you can find it in the description. So what does this mean for you, the traveler? Be prepared for potential delays and cancellations. It might be wise to book flights further in advance and be flexible with your travel plans. Airlines are facing a tough time, and unfortunately, that might affect your next trip. However, there's always a silver lining. The aviation industry is constantly innovating, and hopefully, these challenges will be overcome. Now, do you think flying airlines are safe after pandemic? Let us know in the comments. We bring you some good information on aerospace. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel.